Pretty rich.
Life on the edge so a nigga might dive off. I remember when I was trying to get a pie off. Tryna dunk on something like Chris Bosh. DRT, RDE, yeah, we get off. With a bad bitch tryna suck the dick off. She suck it good until I jump no crisscross. She with me cause that little nigga lacking, nigga. Shawty said she'll beat your ass, I start laughing, nigga. And I know she ain't capping, nigga. I ain't bougie, but I stay with a ratchet, nigga. You sit on the couch while I'm out here with factors, nigga. Why these bitch niggas in the house watching actors, nigga? And she ain't lying, boy. When she chased that nigga around that hood, I started crying, boy. I'm like, what happened, nigga? Niggas claim hard, but you are no savage, nigga. Till she pull up on you with that action, nigga. You ain't really tryna get it crackin', nigga. Little niggas bitch made, I swear you niggas food days. Yeah, I'm tryna dunk like 2K. Yeah, I'm in a cut like a switchblade. GRT, RDE, they ain't in our lane. GRT, RDE, they ain't in our lane. We not the same nigga, boy, you a hoe nigga. You a Honda Civic, I'm a Mercer, I go nigga. Like E40, yeah, you know that I go nigga. I'ma go get it while you sit at the home nigga. I want blue and green money like Monopoly. Yeah, I really like when shawty start topping me. Yeah, she start topping me, I go so hard, and you know I'm from the 303.
Yeah. Man, it's GRT, RDE, man. We gotta build this shit from the bottom up. Let them know where we coming from, boy. Man, it's 5280 Denver, Colorado.